It's spooky season, and what better way to embrace the chills than with horror that fits right in your pocket? Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Whether you're hiding under the covers or killing time in the dark hours, these horror games are one to play on your phone right now, just in time for Halloween. First, it's Alien Isolation. This sci-fi horror classic is now on mobile. Face a cunning xenomorph in this intense survival game. 2 missions are free with the full game available for $15. Then there's Baby in Yellow. It starts off like a babysitting sim, then turns into a demonic fever dream. This twisted little gem will have you screaming and laughing at the same time. It's free but with ads. In Granny, you'll be trapped in a house with a murderous old lady and 5 days to escape. It's got simple graphics but it's deeply creepy, free to play, and full of tension. Limbo is a hauntingly beautiful side-scroller that blends horror with art. Play as a shadowy child in a world filled with traps and dread. It's available for $3.99. The surprisingly smooth on iPhone but terrifying Resident Evil 2 is here. You return to Raccoon City with updated graphics and mobile-optimized controls. It's free on iOS, but there's no Android version yet. Little Nightmares is a surreal nightmare world filled with grotesque creatures. Run and survive in this dark fantasy platformer just for $7.99. And last, the OG mobile jump scare machine Five Nights at Freddy's is here. Survive 5 nights in a haunted pizzeria with a killer. It comes for $2.99. So grab your headphones, dim the lights, and let your phone deliver the screams this Halloween. Just maybe don't play them alone in the dark. Which one are you playing first? Let us know your opinions in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.